Hi guys, welcome back to another special episode of my channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video, I'll be telling you one of the most important topics that has been doing rounds on the internet. That is, why does the batteries of the smartphones blast? Or what was the problem with Samsung Galaxy Note 7? It was blasting and it had recalled every unit and Samsung witnessed nearly $20 billion of loss. So let's get started without any delay. Guys, I've noted down a lot of points that I'll be explaining you guys in detail. So please listen to this video carefully and share this video with your friends. The first point, guys, is as the year is getting progressed, as we are getting progress, there have been a lot of improvements made in the field of technology or in the field of devices that we are using. May it be the smartphones, may it be the televisions, may it be the computers, it has got progress rapidly. In old days, we were using Intel Pentium chipsets. Nowadays, we are using Intel Core i7 6th generation chipsets, which are really powerful. When it comes to mobile phones, we were using old chipset which didn't have even. There were no matter of cores or matter of gigahertz or stuffs like that. Nowadays, we are using Qualcomm Snapdragon 821, which clocks at around 2.35 gigahertz, which has immense amount of processing power and stuffs like that. There have been rapid improvements in the field of the processing powers, in RAM technologies, in camera technologies, screen qualities, in the field of charging of device and stuffs like that, etc., etc. But there is only one thing that has been lagging, is that the battery technology that we are using on our electronic devices or on our electronic components is the same old battery technology which we were using years back. This is the most important thing that we need to note, guys. The batteries that we use on our smartphones, the batteries that we use on our computers, and the batteries that we use on our smart bands, smart watches, and televisions, and many other electronic components is the same battery technology that we are using years back. This is the negative points about the battery technology, guys. Let me explain you how a battery is made, guys. That's the third point that we'll be going through today. A battery, however the shape of the battery is, it consists of a cathode, positively charged cathode, and negatively charged anode. In the middle of cathode and anode, there is an electrolyte. There are electrons that moves from one pole to another pole in a battery, because of which the charging and discharging operations of the battery can take place. Because of the rapid movements of electrons from one pole to another pole, nowadays the fast charging or rapid charging or dash charging or quick charging capabilities have been enabled in that battery. The next point, this is about battery technology, guys. The fourth point that I'll be explaining you guys is, in this generation, in any electronic device or any smartphone or smartwatches as such or tablets, we use lithium ion or lithium polymer batteries. Why we use lithium? Because lithium ion is light, it is easily accessible, it is cheap when compared to other materials that you can use on the batteries. Hence we use lithium. But the most important thing that we need to remember or we need to know about this lithium ion batteries is, lithium is highly unstable. Lithium consists of lithium metal oxide cathode and graphite anode in their batteries. Lithium metal oxide cathode and graphite anode, and it consists of lithium positively charged particles as an electrolyte in its batteries. Between the cathode and anode and electrolyte, there are separators known as which are made up of the polymer materials. Those separators are necessary for blocking unnecessary electron flows between the two poles in a battery. Those polymer separators play a very important role, guys. Now, let's come to the topic, or let's come to the matter of Samsung Galaxy Note 7. What happened with Samsung Galaxy Note 7? Why did it blast as such? As I told you guys, there is something called separators in between the batteries or between the poles of the batteries. Those separators prevent the rapid ion movement between the cathode and anode, and they prevent large number of electrons flowing in at a single instant of time. If those separators are made up of cheap quality, or those separators inside the batteries are made up of lower quality materials, then what happens? The battery or the ions behaves in an unusual or a very unstable way. That means there is an unusual or unstable way of ionic movement between the poles of the battery that is used inside the device. This is exactly what happened with Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Because of the low quality of the separators that was used inside the batteries, there was an unusual and unstable ionic movement between the poles of the batteries during the process of charging or discharging. Because of this, the batteries got heated up. Since the batteries got heated up, the electrolytes began to act in a very weird manner. Once the electrolytes began to act in a very weird manner, this saturation point or this level is known as thermal runaway. When the thermal runaway occurs, the battery explodes. When the battery explodes, the phone automatically blows and it becomes a device bomb. And this was what exactly happened with Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Boom! This is what it happened. Thermal runaways. So guys, Samsung, what they did was, if there is a rectangular shape or square shaped battery, they squeezed in more ions than the capacity of the actual rectangular piece of battery. That's why the devices was blasting, and they had to recall every device from the market. So guys, what are the precautions that we can take? The next point that I'll be telling is, what are the precautions that we can take to make ourselves safe, or keep our devices safe from these type of blasting, these type of boom like the Samsung Galaxy Note 7s. The first thing of the precautions is, we should use a good quality charger. Good quality charger we need to use. Guys, if your device supports quick charging or Qualcomm quick charge or dash charging or rapid charging technologies, then make sure that you use a good quality or a high quality charger. When you're investing thousands of rupees on a smartphone, why do you compensate with the quality of the charger you take? If you're taking a fast charger and your device supports fast charging, Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0 or 3.0, then make sure that you take Qualcomm certified fast charger. If you want the Qualcomm certified fast chargers, you need to take, I'll be putting the links in the description below. Please take only the high quality or expensive Qualcomm certified fast chargers only, guys. If you are compensating, if you're thinking that a low quality or low power charger is enough, that means you are making problems, you're creating problems to yourself. It may even blast the device. So you use good quality chargers, good quality fast chargers only. The second point, make sure you use spike busters or the charging sockets that you use. The charging socket or the charging plug point that you use is of good quality. If there are any sparks that comes from the charging socket, don't use that type of charging sockets. The third one is, use good quality USB cables. Using good quality USB cables for the charging of your device, then that prevents the device from blasting, or that prevents the device from getting overheated or making the ionic movement rapid or unusual as such. Fourth point in the precaution is, if you are using a power bank for the backup when you are on the go, then you use a good quality power bank. I'll be leaving the link in the description below for the good quality power banks like that of the Xiaomi or Ambrain or Honor power banks. You take only high quality or good quality power banks to protect your batteries or protect your smartphones from blasting. Guys, as we were talking about lithium being unstable, are there any other technologies that we can implement in future for battery technologies? Yes. There are few different technologies that we can use in the future that we can prevent the smartphones or the electronic gadgets from blasting or exploding. That the first technology that we can use is, there has been research that has been made in the Massachusetts Institute of Technology about the silicon based batteries. We can use gold wired nanotechnology batteries. We can use lithium air batteries instead of lithium ion batteries, and we can use graphene batteries as well. The fourth one that I mentioned is the graphene batteries. If I get good reviews, or if I get good likes and good comments and good views on this video, I'll be putting another video about graphene battery technology. Graphene battery technology is actually the future. So that's it for this video, guys. Please know about this. Please know about why batteries have been exploding everywhere, and please know about this video in detail. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch up with you guys in my next one. Thank you.